What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a quick look at how to connect a phone to a 2023 Cadillac Escalade using the Bluetooth. So like I said, I'm demonstrating on a 23 Escalade in this video, but we'll be the same on a few different years. So you'll need the vehicle either on or running, and then I'm going to be demonstrating this on an iPhone. Other phones would be similar. I'm going to go into my phone settings and go into the Bluetooth and just make sure the Bluetooth is on. Now taking a look at our center screen, we're going to click the phone menu, the phone button from the menu right here, and then we'll click Connect Phone. Now if we take a look at our phone's Bluetooth options, we see My Cadillac. Go ahead and click on that. And then we want to make sure that this PIN number here matches the PIN number on our center screen, and it does, so we'll click Pair. And this is just asking if I want to give it access to my contacts. I'm not going to set that up right now. And then on our center screen, go ahead and click Pair. And now we're connected. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.